Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for our Weight Loss Wednesday, and I think it's been a week since I've put a video up. I think I put a video up last Wednesday. I discussed in that video how I was dealing with depression, and I still am. Guys, I haven't felt like filming anything. So yeah, that's why I haven't made a video, but I'm trying to make myself get back into the swing of things. I do feel a little better, but I'm not gonna say I'm 100% better. That's not true. I am still depressed about some things, and I'm trying not to let things get to me, but it's just hit me hard. It just came out of the blue, and I think it just hit me hard, and maybe some things that have been bothering me just all come out at the same time. Is all I can say. I did gain weight. As I said in the last video, I didn't weigh because I filmed it early. I did weigh this morning, and where I'm at now from my starting weight loss to where I am now is I've lost 5 pounds. So I was at 8 pounds 2 weeks ago. So I have gained 3 pounds. Now, in this time that I've been going through all this, I think I've been all over the place. So I'm okay. We're starting right now fresh with I am down 5 pounds. Now, we'll just see. I did follow my diet really well yesterday. So let's just baby steps, one day at a time. We'll just go from now on. I have not worn makeup since my last day of filming, which was a week ago Monday. I've not put any makeup on. I've not done my hair. I just got my wig on. I did get new glasses, so I want to show you guys. I went and got new glasses. These are my new glasses. These are LA Eyeworks from Los Angeles, and the style is Whirlybird. The style is Whirlybird. They're pretty cool. I like the unique look of the frames. So, and they're very, very lightweight. I see better out of these than I do my Tiffany glasses. But now, I was seeing a different doctor when I got my Tiffany glasses. And these are not... I think she said that my prescription was wrong in those, that my eyes didn't get better. They didn't get worse. They actually got better, and so we think the original prescription in my Tiffany glasses was probably wrong. But yeah, surprise, I am seeing a new doctor. I've seen her before in the past in an old practice, but I've changed with her. Anyway, yeah, new glasses. I do like them. They need cleaned already. Get dirty so easy. Today I want to talk about my channel. I know it's not really weight loss related, but it's kind of in with the depression, I guess, and I don't know. I'm battling about still filming, having a channel, or changing my channel. I'm thinking changing my channel. I do like these weight loss Wednesdays, and I think that's why I made myself film today. But as far as beauty goes, guys, I have no desire to buy any makeup, skincare. Absolutely no desire in doing that whatsoever. I have no desire in putting makeup on, although I do put it on before I go out usually. But I don't know. Right now, that's not where my mind is, and unfortunately that's the videos people want to see. People would love to see haul videos. Well, I'm not going to have any big major hauls. I have a little one for you in this video, but I'm not going to have beauty hauls. I'm not buying makeup. I'm not buying skincare. I'm not buying things for my home, because when I think about it, I don't want to move said items, pack it and move it. So I'm in a weird place right now. I do want to get my garden planted, and I'll show you guys that. it's not time yet. You don't plant here outdoors until Mother's Day. So we're almost there, a couple weeks, but I'm not ready right this moment, so I'm not buying plants right this moment. Although I do have some. We had a cold snap and I had to bring my garden in for a few days, and so we'll have blackberry winter here real soon, and then it'll be time to plant everything outside. Although we're in the 80s right now. It's nice. It's nice. So I don't know what I want to do. I don't really have anything to show you guys. So on Friday of this week, my husband and I are talking about going to Greenville, Tennessee for the day. I'm just dying to just go somewhere, to get in the car and go, you know. Greenville, Tennessee is a little over an hour away. I've never been to Greenville, Tennessee. In Greenville, that's where the 17th President of the United States lived before and after his time in Washington. And that is where he is buried, and his cemetery, the cemetery is there with his gravesite. And while we're living that close, I would like to go see that. He was Abraham Lincoln's vice president, and he was supposed to have been assassinated that same night with Lincoln and Sewell, but the guy assigned to assassinate him chickened out. That's crazy. So he became president, and then he was also the first president of the United States to be impeached. Yes. And then when he actually ran for president, he was beaten by Ulysses S. Grant. So Grant beat him and became president. And so he was never elected. He became president after Abraham Lincoln was shot. So I do want to go see his home. And there's not a whole lot there, I don't think, but I do want to go over for the day and see that. And really close by is the birthplace of Davy Crockett. So why not go over there and check it out? It is I don't know if it's a state park or a national park. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's in a park, and there's not a whole lot to see. They have like replica buildings of the house that Davy Crockett was born in, and you know, the little outbuildings and stuff. And I think depending on what day of the week you go, it's open. I'm not sure if it'll be open on Friday, as in open to go inside the building. I mean, you can go and look around. It's just, I don't know if the actual replica birthplace home will be open, but you can look through the I was going to say windows, but they don't have windows. They just remove some of the mud between the logs, and you can look through. That was their windows. So anyway, I thought, well, while we're there, let's go check it out. Also, there's an Amish restaurant called The Farmer's Daughter that I've heard rave reviews about. People go there to eat, and I thought, well, we might check that out. And there's a couple of Amish stores that are close by that I wouldn't mind checking out. So that's our plan so far. They are calling for a chance of some scattered showers on Friday. Might just go anyway and check everything out. So I thought I'd take you guys along and try my hand at vlogging. I'm not a good vlogger. I really need to work on vlogging, but I might do that. I might change this channel to a vlog channel. And you guys seem very interested in my life, and because I tell you guys everything. You seem interested in what's going on in my life, and so why not just take you along? You know, maybe change it up, because I mean, I'll throw in beauty. I mean, I'm a beauty girl. That's never going to totally go away. But this point right now in my life, I don't need more stuff. I don't want more stuff. Nothing is saying, oh wow, you get this sale. If it was 75% off, I don't think I'd buy anything. I don't want it. I don't need it. So yeah, that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm thinking about with this channel. So guys, what's your input? What do you think? I don't know, I might get out of this funk and get more into beauty. I'm not saying, this is not set in stone. This is just where my head is right now on this Wednesday. This is where my head's at. Now, let me show you my one thing I can haul. I got in the mail today. I got a new purse. This is a Spartina 449. And I forgot what they call this one. Does it have a name? I think they do. I think is it Sea Islands? I think, I can't remember. Anyhow, this is a brand new purse. I have had my eye on this purse for years. I don't know how many years, but for years. I have the umbrella, this pattern umbrella from them. And I've been wanting the purse. Well, they have different sizes. This is the crossbody. And this is brand new, never been used. Tags are still on it. I think I bought my umbrella, gosh, I don't know how many years ago. Let's see, the price on this is $168. And I bought it brand new on Poshmark for $55. I want to take it with me to on my trips. I want to take it with me to Myrtle Beach, and there's Myrtle Beach right there. I'm going to take it with me to Myrtle Beach and to Beaufort. Beaufort, right there on the map. There's Beaufort. There's Myrtle Beach, and I'm going to Hunting Island with my mother-in-law and then with my husband. And I have been to their main store. I don't know if these are sold everywhere. Their main store is in Bluffton, the original store. And Defalsky Island is the tags. Whoops, that tag came off. That's just the price. Oh, both tags came off. Oh well. I've been to the main flagship store, and I've been to other stores. Our Biltmore Estate sells their products, and also they have a store in the Haywood Mall in Greenville, or they did. I don't know. Pre-COVID they did. And then here's where we're planning on moving. So this whole area is my favorite place to be. And then on this side, we go on down Georgia. We go to the St. Simons and Jekyll Island, which I have been to. Cumberland Island, that is where JFK Jr. and Carol, what's her name? Carolyn Bissett? That's where they got married. Cumberland Island. And then you're into Florida with Amelia Island and Jacksonville. So yeah, that is my favorite place to be. And so I'm excited to get this purse. It is really nice. I'm very pleased, and I'm very pleased that I got it for the price I did. So that's my only little haul in this video. So guys, I'm going to stick with counting my points or bites, whatever it's being called, and yeah, just bear with me while I try to figure out what I'm doing, which way I'm going. Sea Islands cross bag. That's what it's called. Crossbody. Sea Islands. That's what I thought the print was. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sticking with me. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new and want to stick around and see what I end up doing, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions, comments, please, down below, and I'll see you guys next time.